The word feel. To experience or perceive emotion. Feel happy, feel sad, feel excited, feel angry. I feel happy when I spend time with my family. She feels sad because her friend is moving away. I feel excited about my upcoming trip to Paris. He feels angry after the unfair decision was made. To touch or handle. Feel the fabric, feel the heat, feel the texture. Feel the fabric, it's so soft. Feel the heat from the stove before you touch it. I love to feel the texture of these antique books, to have a certain physical sensation. Feel cold, feel warm, feel pain, feel tired. I feel cold in this room. Can we turn on the heater? After the long walk, I finally feel warm. She feels pain in her knee after running. After the busy day, I feel tired and need some rest. To believe or think, subjective opinion. Feel that, feel like. I feel that we should start the meeting now. I feel like going out for a walk after dinner. To show compassion or sympathy. Feel sorry, feel bad, feel sorry for. I feel sorry that you missed the concert. He feels bad about not being able to help. I feel sorry for those who lost their homes in the fire. To experience or perceive physical sensation emotionally. Feel stressed, feel nervous, feel overwhelmed. I feel stressed with all these deadlines approaching. She feels nervous before her big presentation. After the meeting, I feel overwhelmed by all the information.